All right, we are now on the seventh and top floor, and we're gonna see the pool. Can't wait. School pool and rooftop deck. So before we get to the pool, there's a little area that's over here that's fun. There's ping pong, and then there's some tables to sit and enjoy. And then, wow, okay, here we are at the top. And I must say, I'm quite impressed with this. It just is, especially for being in Uptown. This Uptown doesn't typically have terrace pools that are like this, and they don't have terrace pools just generally in Uptown. So this is a very well done pool. Let's explore a little bit of it. Over here, you have just a great area to relax. You can grill, and there's water and things like that. So great area to relax, and then maybe enjoy some games because there's a big TV going on over there with a big table. And then it's kind of the same thing over here. There's more couches here, and there's a TV going on over there. So, and you could just sit here and enjoy these great views. I have to get this for you so you can see it. It's just a great view of the area, y'all. It's just a pretty area, and wow. So, okay, so we're gonna go up these wood steps, which I like. They're wood. And then here is, gosh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 chairs, and I like it that they did grass, and it's an artificial grass, but it's pretty looking grass. And then there's chairs over there, and then we're at the pool. This is a very elegant pool. So I'm at the pool. It's a modest sized pool, but it's a well done pool. It's got 2 seats in the middle. It's got fountains, and then over there's 2 seats. And if you noticed, I walked onto this area, so this would be kind of easy to enjoy being over the water without being in the water. So this is it's 3.3 feet and 6 inches. So this is definitely a social pool. There's also this area which is 6 inches too, so you could have more people enjoying it. So this is meant for, it can hold a decent amount of people. I wouldn't call it an abundant amount of people, but then again, look at all this space. So it really is just quite a well done, great terrace pool. It really is, and this is the top floor. So anyway, really like it, y'all. And of course over there is downtown, and you can enjoy that. And then you've got Uptown all around you, and it's quick access to it. Pretty much over there is the West Village, and you can enjoy all of that. And then over there is 75, so you've got quick access to go to downtown. Of course, you can walk to Uptown, and then enjoy this area too. There's also, by the way, there's a trolley system that goes through McKinney Avenue, which you're literally about 4 minutes away from walking distance. And so that trolley takes you all through Uptown as well. So you've got walking or pretty much free, it's donation based public transportation that you can enjoy Uptown without really needing your car. And there's grocery stores nearby. There's Whole Foods that you can access to if you use the trolley. So I hope you enjoyed this view and this great terrace rooftop.